Go. You gotta be louder than that, dear. You heard that definitely on the video. You heard the toilet flush. I ain't gonna say who's in there, but you heard the toilet flush.
What?
Nothing! I don't want to give away who's in there.
Whoa, Carly.
You weren't supposed to say that!
Oh, Buddha.
Nothing!
Buddha, Buddha, Buddha. Buddha, 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 Buddha.
Whoa. Ew. What are you doing? Turn around here and tell us what you're doing.
There's stuff on our people. It's cracked.
What's she doing?
Aww.
Hey, dude.
That's no fun.
Hi, dude. And I said hi to him.
Man, you can become a YouTube star with that right there.
We just got some random guy in our YouTube video. Woohoo!
You do realize you're right next to the door.
I don't care. We didn't leave our room.
We need to have a conversation. We need to have a conversation.
Open the door.
Oh, Sam, you're missing me.
Nobody's in our room.
Why are you knocking on my door? I need to have a conversation with you.
Buddha.
Seriously?
I just hear you.
Just me playing up in the I look dumb, but
We're all like standing here like,
Buddha. Buddha, Buddha, Buddha.
Buddha.
Last time I did that, I came, so excuse me while I Buddha. Buddha, Buddha, Buddha.
I just like my
We will be right back.